Hi there, I'm Suzanne from Vibrant Violin. I have created a space for violinists to come together in a community to receive the support that they need throughout the week and between lessons. This is a place where whenever you have a question during the week, you wonder if you're developing a bad habit, you wonder if you're practicing correctly, you wonder if you're working on things in the right direction. You can throw your question at any time throughout the week into the study group, and I will hop on with a live video answer giving you personalized feedback on your violin playing. Each week we have a live question and answer session where you can ask me questions ahead of time so that I can generate a thorough response, and you're also going to be able to hear the answers to all of the other study members' questions. In the group, you're going to see other people asking questions throughout the week as well, and I will be posting video answers to their questions. So not only with both the live question and answer session and the regular questions in the study group, you're going to be benefiting so much from not only your own questions and the feedback that I give for you, but you get to watch the feedback that I give to other people's questions as well. So you get to learn so much just from observing the other people's questions and my answers for them. There is so much teaching happening in this group. I also run a studio class in the study group every week. This is a place where you can post anything you've been working on, whether it be a recital piece that you have nearly polished, or a scale, or just open strings where you're practicing tone quality. Whatever it might be, whatever technique you're working on, whatever passage you're working on, you can post a little snippet for the studio class, and all of the other members are going to give you positive critique on your playing. And you also will be able to watch other people's playing and give them some constructive feedback as well. You're going to learn so much by learning to watch other people's playing in this way. You will learn how to watch your own practicing with a much more critical and observant eye. The Vibrant Violin study group has motivated people who struggled to practice daily to practice very regularly, very consistently, and has also boosted their courage to the point that they're willing to make videos of themselves and post them regularly on Instagram for their own followers to see. The study group is convenient in that you don't have to show up for a specific scheduled lesson time. If you have a busy work schedule, you can just show up in the study group whenever works for you, whether that be morning or night or any time. Those posts are there for you to review, and you can participate at your convenience. I've been thrilled with the engagement that the other study group members have given for this group. There is so much support and encouragement going on among the members of the Vibrant Violin study group. I can't wait to invite you to join the Vibrant Violin Players study group. I have had this group open for my private students since summer, and now I'm inviting you to join us.